Hi, I'm Tim. I'm with Crystal Blue Plumbing, Heating and Air, Sacramento's tankless water heater specialist. Whether it's maintenance, service, or installation, let our 35+ years of experience assist you with your tankless water heater needs. If you'd like to know more about tankless water heaters, please contact us at 916-577-5020 or check out our website, www.crystalblueplumbing.com.